Thai 101 in the kitchen, cooking vocab, no more wishing. Chop and fry and boil and stir, learn the verbs, culinary blur. Krua, that's kitchen, cooking zone, hand to slice, muscle and bone. Pat, that's stir fry, walk on fire. Tom to boil, water, desire. Yang, that's grill, char and smoke. Neung to steam, gentle poke. Oak to bake, oven hot. Thai cooking hits the spot.
ครัวหันแพทย์ทองแยงนึ่งอบ
Kitchen verbs, we learn the rope.
ครัวหันแพทย์ทองแยงนึ่งอบ
Cooking vocab, we cope.
ครัวหันแพทย์ทองแยงนึ่งอบ
Kitchen verbs, we learn the rope. Aroy mac, delicious taste. Thai cooking, no time waste. Mid-knife, chop it clean, shalom. Food routine, crab and plate present on high. Cham bowl, hold the pie. Towel stove, flame on hot, 2 yen.
Fridge
Cold spot, nam pla fish sauce, umami bomb. Thai kitchen, keep it calm. Kitchen verbs, we learn the rope.
ครัวหันแพทย์ทองแยงนึ่งอบ
Cooking vocab, we cope.
Kitchen Thai spice up the game
Hand pat tong,
Remember